Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 8th of July 2014 market review. The trade for today is called First Ranked, code is FSR. The share's latest trading price is 40 Rand 50 cents, and it's currently the action on it is trading from a high to a low level. Entry level will be 40 Rand 59, and your target will be 39.33. So the expectation is to break down the green line here, regards to the newsletter, to a level of 39 and 39. Would it bounce basically back? Doesn't want to go and complete this downward fall. We could go back to 41.22, and then you need to use as a stop loss. These are currently all the open trades. PSG is additive from the 4th of July. ASR is still in the trade as well. Mondi, Standard Bank, Tiger Brands, Bidvest, and African Rainbow Minerals. Looking at the current market situation, the blue line is the top 40 index line price. Seems that it wants to break through the 5-day moving average downwards. That's the dotted grey line, and the grey line here is the 20-day moving average. Looking at the American markets, that's the industrials, or the India. From the American markets, the Dow Jones. This was the upward trend. This was Monday's close was actually on a level of 17,024 points. It lost about 44 points from the previous high of 17,068 points. So it's still trading above this 0.0 Fibonacci retracement level here on the top. And the Americans are also bringing out earnings season very soon, so everybody's expecting and waiting for this first results to come out. So as you can see, upward channel coming a bit down, still above the black line here, and we need to see what direction will follow with this earnings season. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 shares. They lost a bit of momentum yesterday in the markets. And if you look at the future price for opening at 8.50 today, they're about 45 points down, where the Dow Jones future price are actually indicating a flat movement. They're about 4 points down, then 1 point down, 4 points down. So that's a bit of uncertainty. We need to wait for late afternoon for better directions. So we need to see if this is going to be a bit of a sell-off happening here on the top 40. And if it does happen, we need to see if it can go back to this 46,000 points. Currently trading at 46,873 points. Looking at some shares, Shoprite still going sideways. No momentum of upward or downward direction at this moment. So as you can see, everybody's waiting to see if there's going to be buyers coming in here, or is this just going to be a sideways market pushing it a bit down. Waiting for levels of 156.40 before it can break up, and if it does break this 151 Rand 71 down, there could be more downside. Currently trading at 154 Rand. So these two levels here will be very important to play very soon for better direction. Looking at Mr. Price, as you can see, breaking up new highs, previous highs here at 183.60, currently trading at 182.67. Moved a bit up, still in the positive cycle. Need to see if this can continue on the indicators, showing a bit of shares quite high. Looking at the stochastics coming a bit down. RSI pulling a bit up here, so there's a lot of uncertainty about where the direction will go. And this one, if you could break this 183.60 and go higher. Looking at Truworths, I'm going to zoom in here. You're going to see in Truworths downward cycle, currently also trading sideways like Shoprite, and it actually went sideways through the resistance, showing a lot of uncertainty in the direction of this year as well. So you need to wait for better direction. Woolies This is currently trading at 77.96. Came down from the 79.19 levels downwards. Still trading above this green line. If you pull up your Bollinger Bands, still trading above this green line here as well. Need to see if it can break and come down, or test and go up again. But in the short term, the next day or two, you can see direction could come very fast. So keep a close eye on this one as well. Pick and Pay, size is the same, sideways. Just follow the Bollinger Bands here, trading between the green and the purple band. At any time it breaks this green line here of 56.10, currently trading 57.83. And there's two bands, the green and the purple band is start to come down. That will show direction will start coming down. But at all as yet, nothing can be done. Need to wait for better direction on this specific trade. MTN. MTN as well. You can actually pull this green line here, support. Testing the Fibonacci on 23.6%, and that level is 225 Rand 27 cents. Currently trading at 225 Rand 89 cents. Need to see if there's going to be a bit of a breakdown here. If it happens, it could happen most probably the next day or two. You need to wait for better direction with this one as well, before you can actually burn your hands to bounce and go up again. Vodacom, still in the middle of this two channels here, support, resistance, trading in the middle, going a bit small up and down, showing a bit of uncertainty between 23.6% and 38.2%. Those levels are 150 Rand and 133 Rand 42 cents. Shares currently trading at 131 Rand 50. Barclays Bank, bounced on the green line support yesterday, broke up. Next expectation now could be back to the top here. So it went here from the 150, 160 levels back to the 162. Next high is about 163, 164. So there's a lot of movement happening here on the sideways, upwards, small channel, small movements happening here. Standard Bank, still trading to the side here, smaller channels happening, big one, smaller one, much smaller one. Need to see what the direction will follow here very soon. Looking for the break up or the breakdown to happen very soon as well. Barloworld, still trading to the side, between the green and the red line, no direction at this moment. Seems to the market, some shares are high, some shares are low, and it's better to wait for direction to see where the market could be taken. After last week's high movements in the markets, and now it seems that the markets wants to actually recover a bit from the previous highs. So let's wait for confirmations and enjoy your trading.